ここは盛岡市郊外のお気に入りの場所。道すがら熊の歓迎を受ける。いつもの焚き火スタイル。今日はダッチオーブン料理。自作のペール缶ストーブ。おつけは白樺の皮。ここにいくらでもあります。
Feels like water slipping through my hands. From the lakes where we've been to, which we called our home, shall we trace that open battle? Or better get drunk and fight alone? Our sparkled hopes that last forever. Now killing means forgetting over these barren fields. It's just a gap before the night comes. Are you well, or what do you feel? You think I'm strong, but I'm a pretender. It's been so long that you were here. And the first seasons that we've walked through, They felt like springtime and winter was Christmas cheer, and all your face was dipped in lightness. I thought we could keep this for next year. You think I'm strong, but from head to toe I linger. Is it that long that you were near? Yes, it hurts. Well, it hurts, and I miss you. It still hurts. Yes, it hurts. Do you miss me? I miss your smile, I miss your skin, I miss your eyes, I miss your sin, I miss all of you. I miss our talks, I miss our jokes, I miss the moments we loved the most. I miss the crinkles on your cheek, I miss the warm breeze when you sleep. I miss you. Get home, just 20 more miles again, and we both move on. Yes, we both get home, just 20 more miles again. Yeah, we both